Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. OpenAI's Sam Altman visits Tel Aviv on AI World Tour. Tech billionaires in escape mode, are their AI creations turning against them? Scanning eyes for cryptocurrency, Sam Altman's ambitious project. Paralyzed man can walk again thanks to AI. Now let's dive into the detail. OpenAI's Sam Altman visits Tel Aviv on AI World Tour. Sam Altman, the co-founder and CEO of OpenAI, an artificial intelligence lab that created ChatGPT, is expected to visit Tel Aviv this week as part of a worldwide tour to meet with AI users, developers, and policymakers. Superscript 1. He is set to visit Microsoft Israel's Research and Development Center and take part in an event at Tel Aviv University. Superscript 1. Microsoft has invested billions of dollars into OpenAI. Superscript 1. Altman's tour started a few weeks ago and he already visited several cities around the world, including Toronto, Washington, D.C., Rio de Janeiro, Lagos, Lisbon, Madrid, Warsaw, Paris, London, and Munich. Superscript 1. Tech billionaires in escape mode, are their AI creations turning against them? In the article from The Guardian, digital age theorist Doug Rushkoff talks about the recent troubles faced by tech billionaires and their growing fear of artificial intelligence, AI. Rushkoff suggests that these tech elites are now concerned that their own AI creations might harm them, just as they have affected regular people. He believes that their actions, such as planning missions to Mars or creating virtual worlds, show their desire to escape from the rest of society. Rushkoff argues that their escape plans will not work and that they are driven by a selfish and sociopathic mindset. He also criticizes the social media companies for knowingly disregarding the harmful effects of their platforms. Rushkoff mentions that younger generations, like Gen Z, have a healthier relationship with technology compared to their parents. He concludes by emphasizing the importance of real-life experiences and personal responsibility in navigating the challenges posed by technology. Scanning eyes for cryptocurrency, Sam Altman's ambitious project. In a scenario that seems straight out of a science fiction movie, Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, is working on a groundbreaking project involving iris scanning as a form of global finance and identification. The project aims to distribute a new digital currency called WorldCoin token to every person on Earth. Altman recently raised $150 million in funding to bring this ambitious project to life. The process involves scanning the iris of each individual to create a digital identity called World ID, which serves as a secure and universal identifier. The company has developed specialized devices called orbs that use biometric imaging to verify the identity of individuals. Despite concerns about privacy and security, the project has attracted over 1 million users worldwide, with Altman offering free cryptocurrency as an incentive for registration. While the system promises secure data protection, there have been some security breaches. WorldCoin token is set to launch in the first half of 2023, marking a significant step towards Altman's vision of global financial inclusion through eye scanning technology. Paralyzed man can walk again thanks to AI. A new study published in Nature describes how a brain-spine interface helped a paralyzed man walk naturally again by creating a direct link between his brain and spinal cord. The interface consists of 2 implants, one in the brain that tracks intentions for movement, and one in the spinal cord that stimulates muscles. The implants communicate wirelessly with an external processing unit that translates the intentions into commands. The study participant, Gertjan Oskam, was paralyzed from the hips down after a motorcycle accident in 2011. He regained control over his lower body after receiving the implants, and he can now stand, walk, and climb stairs with only a walker. He has also shown signs of neurological recovery, and he can walk with crutches even when the implants are switched off. He and the researchers who developed and implanted the interface explain how the technology differs from previous stimulation methods. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.